Modern vehicles are packed with complex electrical systems, and when something suddenly stops working, finding the problem without the right diagnostic tool can become a nightmare. Whether you're dealing with blown fuses, faulty relays, injector issues, battery problems, or hidden wiring faults, a professional automotive circuit tester can save you hours of frustration and hundreds of dollars in repair costs. And we have. Today's best automotive circuit testers are smarter, faster, and more advanced than ever before. Many now combine power probe functions, multimeter testing, relay diagnostics, injector testing, and even oscilloscope-style features into one compact tool. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best automotive circuit testers that deliver impressive accuracy, advanced functionality, and serious value for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and professional automotive technicians. We selected options for both home garage users and advanced repair professionals, so there's something here for every skill level and budget. And before we start, all product links are available right now in the description box below. So if you want to check updated pricing, compatibility details, or customer reviews, make sure to click those links anytime during the video. Trust me, one of these tools could completely change how you diagnose electrical problems forever. Now let's start the countdown with number 5, because this tester offers a surprisingly powerful all-in-one diagnostic package for the price. Starting our countdown at number 5, the KZYEE KM601 Automotive Circuit Tester Kit is an impressive all-in-one diagnostic tool designed for users who want multiple automotive testing functions packed into a single device. Right away, one of the biggest things that stands out about this tester is the incredible versatility it offers for both DIY mechanics and professional automotive technicians. Instead of carrying separate tools for voltage testing, battery diagnostics, injector testing, and multimeter functions, this kit combines everything into one compact system that helps simplify troubleshooting workflows. Another major highlight is the built-in power probe functionality, which allows users to quickly test electrical circuits, identify shorts, check voltage flow, and activate components directly during diagnostics. This can dramatically reduce troubleshooting time when working on modern vehicle electrical systems. The fuel injector testing capability is another useful feature, especially for diagnosing engine performance problems or fuel delivery issues more efficiently. The digital display also feels clear and easy to read, helping users monitor voltage levels and test results quickly during real-world repair situations. Build quality feels solid overall, and the ergonomic design makes the tool comfortable to use for extended diagnostic sessions. Another thing many users appreciate is the included battery testing support, which helps identify charging system or battery health problems without requiring additional equipment. Multimeter functionality also adds extra flexibility for advanced electrical diagnostics across different vehicle systems. For users wanting a versatile automotive electrical testing solution without spending premium professional tool prices, this kit delivers strong overall value and functionality. Whether you're troubleshooting electrical faults in your garage or handling frequent automotive repairs professionally, the KM601 offers a very capable feature set for the money. Overall, the KZYEE KM601 combines versatility, convenience, and diagnostic flexibility into one highly practical automotive circuit testing package. If you'd like to learn more about this tester, including updated pricing and customer reviews, make sure to check the product link waiting for you right now in the description box below. Coming in at number 4, the BOSSCOMM P180 Car Electrical Tester. This is a feature-packed automotive electrical tester designed for users who want broad diagnostic coverage across multiple vehicle systems. One of the biggest strengths of this tool is the impressive variety of testing capabilities packed into one device. From AC and DC voltage testing to diode analysis, resistance measurement, relay diagnostics, fuse checking, and injector testing, this tool gives mechanics and automotive enthusiasts a highly flexible solution for handling complicated electrical troubleshooting jobs. Another major advantage is how efficiently the P180 helps users identify faults across modern automotive electrical systems. Instead of switching between multiple separate tools during diagnostics, users can perform several important tests using a single handheld unit, which improves workflow speed and convenience significantly. The digital display remains easy to read during testing, helping users monitor values and identify problems more accurately in real time. Build quality also feels durable and workshop-ready, making the tool practical for both home garage use and professional repair environments. Another thing users appreciate is the relay and injector testing functionality, which adds valuable diagnostic flexibility when working on engine performance or electrical component issues. The resistance and continuity testing features also help users track down wiring faults, shorts, and connection failures more effectively. Ergonomics feel comfortable during extended use, and the interface layout remains relatively straightforward considering the advanced feature set. For users wanting a versatile automotive electrical diagnostic tool that handles far more than simple voltage testing, the P180 delivers impressive overall capability at a competitive price point. Whether you're diagnosing electrical failures, troubleshooting sensors, or testing critical automotive circuits, this tester offers a strong balance between functionality and value. Overall, the BOSSCOMM P180 provides broad diagnostic coverage, practical usability, and strong multi-function performance for automotive electrical work. If you want more information, updated pricing, or customer reviews, make sure to check the product link available now in the description box below. Now we're moving into more advanced diagnostic territory with number 3, and the TopDiag P200 stands out as one of the most capable multi-function automotive circuit testers available in this category. One of the biggest highlights here is the impressive combination of traditional power probe functionality with advanced diagnostic features like oscilloscope mode, relay testing, injector diagnostics, and multimeter capabilities. This makes the P200 especially appealing for users who want deeper insight into vehicle electrical behavior instead of relying on basic voltage testing alone. The oscilloscope functionality is particularly useful because it allows users to analyze electrical signal behavior and waveform patterns more effectively during diagnostics. That added level of visibility can be extremely valuable when troubleshooting complicated sensor problems, injector pulse signals, or intermittent electrical faults in modern vehicles. Another major advantage is the tool's ability to perform active component testing, helping technicians quickly verify electrical system operation directly from the handheld unit. The digital interface also feels modern and relatively easy to navigate considering the advanced functionality packed inside the device. Build quality feels durable and professional, while the ergonomic design makes long diagnostic sessions more comfortable during real-world use. Another thing users appreciate is the wide testing flexibility that allows the tool to handle battery diagnostics, relay testing, continuity checks, voltage analysis, and injector troubleshooting all from one system. This significantly reduces the need for multiple separate diagnostic devices inside the workshop. The included accessories and testing functions also make the overall package feel very complete for serious automotive electrical work. For mechanics and advanced DIY users wanting professional-level diagnostic functionality without moving into extremely expensive workshop equipment, the TopDiag P200 offers tremendous overall value. Overall, this tester delivers advanced troubleshooting capability, broad diagnostic coverage, and excellent functionality for modern automotive electrical systems. If you'd like to learn more about the TopDiag P200, including updated pricing and customer reviews, make sure to check the product link available now in the description box below. Taking the number 2 position, the ANCEL PB500 is an extremely capable automotive power circuit tester designed for serious diagnostics and efficient troubleshooting workflows. One of the first things that makes this tool stand out is the impressive combination of circuit testing, breaker finding, injector diagnostics, relay analysis, and digital multimeter functionality packed into one professional-style handheld device. For mechanics dealing with complicated vehicle electrical systems, having all these features available in one tool can dramatically improve diagnostic speed and efficiency. Another major highlight is the breaker finder functionality, which helps users identify wiring issues and trace electrical faults more effectively without unnecessary guesswork. This becomes especially useful when troubleshooting hidden shorts or difficult electrical problems in modern vehicles loaded with electronic systems. The injector and relay testing support also adds excellent versatility, helping technicians verify component functionality during engine and electrical diagnostics. The digital interface feels responsive and easy to understand, while the display remains clear during testing situations. Build quality also feels very solid and durable, giving the PB500 a professional-grade feel suitable for workshop environments and frequent automotive use. Another thing many users appreciate is the oscilloscope-style diagnostic support that provides deeper insight into electrical signals and component behavior during advanced troubleshooting tasks. The ergonomic design also helps make long repair sessions more manageable and comfortable during daily use. For users wanting an advanced automotive electrical diagnostic solution that combines multiple testing tools into one efficient package, the PB500 delivers outstanding versatility and functionality. Whether you're a professional technician or a serious DIY automotive enthusiast, this tester offers powerful diagnostic capabilities that can save both time and repair costs. Overall, the ANCEL PB500 combines advanced features, practical usability, and professional-level functionality into one highly capable automotive diagnostic tool. If you want more information, updated pricing, or customer reviews, make sure to check the product link waiting for you now in the description box below. And finally, taking the #1 spot on today's list is the VDIAGTOOL V500 Pro, one of the most advanced and well-rounded automotive circuit testers currently available for modern vehicle diagnostics. Right away, one of the biggest reasons this tool stands out is the impressive balance between advanced professional functionality and practical, everyday usability. The V500 Pro combines power probe testing, breaker finding, voltage analysis, continuity testing, and multimeter capabilities into one highly capable diagnostic platform designed for serious automotive troubleshooting. One of the biggest advantages here is the fast and efficient electrical fault detection performance. Users can quickly identify shorts, test voltage flow, activate components, and troubleshoot wiring issues with far greater speed compared to traditional testing methods. The breaker finder functionality also helps simplify difficult electrical diagnostics, especially when tracking hidden wiring faults inside complex vehicle systems. Another major strength is the professional-grade build quality. The device feels durable, comfortable to hold, and designed for heavy workshop use during demanding repair sessions. The digital display remains clear and responsive, helping users monitor readings and test results more accurately during real-world diagnostics. Another thing users consistently appreciate is the excellent balance between advanced functionality and user-friendly operation. Even though the V500 Pro includes professional-level diagnostic capabilities, the interface still feels relatively approachable for advanced DIY mechanics wanting more powerful troubleshooting tools. The included multimeter features also add valuable flexibility for broader electrical analysis across modern automotive systems. Whether you're diagnosing battery problems, relay failures, injector issues, blown fuses, or hidden electrical faults, this tool provides extremely versatile diagnostic support in one compact system. Overall, the VDIAGTOOL V500 Pro delivers excellent performance, professional functionality, and impressive troubleshooting versatility for modern automotive electrical diagnostics. If you'd like to learn more about this automotive circuit tester, including updated pricing and customer reviews, make sure to check the product link available right now in the description box below. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.